You're not helping. You're not helping. Hurry up. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. I got cat hair in my mouth.
Maddie. Madison.
Yeah? Thanks, dumb.
I just whited out. Hello. I'm back. There's so much hair. Yes, I'm a model. I do fashion, yeah.
Sorry, hold on.
Be professional.
I'm on a very important business text messaging.
Because, you know, I am an editor now. I edit my videos because I am, that's my nose. You're like in my nostril. I'm a PG channel. Old Instagram.
Oh my god, look at this.
Let's look. What do we got? Because I was 16 and okay. Hey guys, sorry, I was on a different planet. My contact moved. I don't know if you can see, but my pants have that white shadow all over them. It's like everywhere. I am a makeup artist. I'm so dirty. I'm upset. You can totally tell I have extensions in. That's fine. It's not like I'm fooling anyone anyways. Okay, you can see where my face is. I love when I'm prepared! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. That's a good zombie sound.
Oh my god.
Reason, then I wanted to be a zombie today, so I made myself into a zombie. Because what is going outside and like socializing? I don't know what that is. Never experienced her. Thank you again so much for watching. Oh my god, this sucks. I cannot speak and my nose is running. It means a lot and but I just want to take another second of your time. What am I, 40? I want to take a second of your time. I'm not 40. I'm not 40. Because I am enjoying making videos. Fish tank! Taping it. Tapering it. English. Tapering it out. Welcome to a channel where I struggle to open a Ziploc bag. Again, tweezers would be really good. but I'm not prepared and didn't grab tweezers, so I'm gonna use my fingers. See, I was born with these tools, and if they fail me, that's what it's gonna be. Like a puzzle. If you weren't good at puzzles as a kid, I wouldn't do this. And this look is like a son of a bitch. It's like slowly falling off my eye. So we're gonna take that off because it's not working. Again, talent. So that failed miserably because why wouldn't it? So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that concealer again and just create a new cut crease. And rad, sick nasty.
California rolls.
Who are you fighting?
Because I went to Summerfield. What's that face for?
Just my face. Thank you. Keeping that in.
Edit that out.
No, keep that in.
We gotta do something.
Hey guys, my name is Madison. Nope.
Back to your regular scheduled program.